Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we are going to be checking out some hair color transformations. We start off with our first one here. She does have some color blocking going here. Ooh. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. I love the pink, the platinum, and then the darker color. Absolutely breathtaking color combo. So bold and so beautiful. So for the next one, it looks like she went darker and she's getting the hair cut into a bob. Nice, simple, and chic. Loving that French girl style bobby. Very cute. And then we have someone with pink hair who ended up going red. Here we have someone with mid-length hair. The stylist puts on the color. She went blonde. I like the fact that the stylist kept the darker roots here to really give it that natural appearance. The dimension and the coloring is beautiful. Then we have another color touch up here. You can see darker roots coming in. Stylist puts on the color. Wow, she had 3 people coloring her hair at once. I don't think I've ever seen that before. That is a lot of foil. So after bleaching the hair, touching up the roots, they're going to proceed with the actual color. There is the before and there is the after. Perfect blonde going here. Beautiful warmness to the actual color. So pretty. And she has some beautiful hair. Definitely more of a beige blonde hue, I would say. Next up, it looks like we have someone who might be going copper. Oh, she got bangs. Such a pretty color. She did get some layers here with this cut as well. Very cute. And then we have a curly pixie style. Just a hint of color. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.